Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let us start with a very simple scoring and interesting topic probability. Okay. So, what do we mean by word probability? इसका मतलब क्या होता है probability word का? I hope my screen is visible to you. What do we mean by word probability? Let us understand with some basic statements. ठीक है? थोड़े sentences से हमको समझ जाएगा. For example, it might rain today. It might rain today. या तो I can say he may go to school. ठीक है, he may go to school. He may go to school. Also I can say chances of passing examination are 50-50. Chances of passing examination are 50-50. 50-50. ठीक है. So in this case, which words amongst the following indicates uncertainty or chances? For example, in first sentence, it might rain today. The word might indicates chances, yeah, uncertainty. It indicates what? Uncertainty. या फिर he may go to school today means उसका स्कूल जाने का chances वो indicate कर रहा है ना. So he may go to school today. या chances of passing examination is 50-50. मतलब examination pass करने का कितना chances है? 50-50 chances है. Means uncertainty and chances. In our day-to-day life, whenever I use word uncertainty and chances, it indicates that it is probability of that event. It is nothing but probability of that event, right? So now let us get acquainted with few more terms of probability. क्या है? First, let us understand the basic difference between experiment and random experiment. ठीक है? So let us understand the basic difference between experiment and random experiment. Just a second. What do we mean by experiment? What do we mean by experiment? The word experiment denotes कि जब भी let us take a simple example. Suppose I am performing an experiment in chemistry. Suppose I am performing an experiment in chemistry. So in chemistry, whenever I perform any experiment, the result which we are going to obtain is fixed, right? But now when I talk about random experiment, suppose let us take an example between both. Experiment में suppose I take a common experiment, that is adding OH to Na. मुझे पता है कि जब मैं Na को OH को Na में ऐड करूंगा ना, तो मुझे मिलेगा NaOH. That is nothing but sodium hydroxide. बराबर? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. मतलब क्या? मुझे इधर मेरा रिजल्ट पता था. My result was fixed in this case. But now when I talk in terms of random experiment ना बच्चों, random experiment, suppose experiment like tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. Tossing a coin मतलब क्या? मुझे पता है जब मैं एक कॉइन को टॉस करूंगा ना, तो या तो मेरे पास हेड आएगा डिनोटेड बाय H, या तो मेरे पास टेल आएगा डिनोटेड बाय T. बट मुझे इतना ही पता है या तो हेड आएगा या तो टेल आएगा, बट हेड या टेल में से कौन सा एक आएगा वो मुझे नहीं पता है. मींस इन एक्सपेरिमेंट माय रिजल्ट आर श्योर रिजल्ट्स कि यही रिजल्ट मिलेगा करके. बट इन रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट माय रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट श्योर, मींस अनश्योर रिजल्ट्स. समझा बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट? एक्सपेरिमेंट में मेरा रिजल्ट फिक्स है, श्योर है, बट रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट में मेरा रिजल्ट फिक्स नहीं है, राइट? आई एम अनश्योर अबाउट माई रिजल्ट. Only difference is in experiment I know my result, and that is only the result which I will obtain. And in random experiment I know my result, but I am not sure कि उसमें से क्या आएगा मेरे पास. Now let us think. Let us just focus on which types of random experiment we are going to deal in probability. ठीक है? For our idea purpose, random experiment. कौन से रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट है जो हम लोग हमारे प्रोबेबिलिटी में डील करेंगे, एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर मैथमेटिकल डेफिनेशन ऑफ द रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. ठीक है? सो रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट का प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन इज a phenomenon or an experiment, a phenomenon or an experiment which can result into more than one possible outcome is called random experiment. Is called random experiment or a statistical experiment. ठीक है? If you want, I'll just write it on the screen for you. क्या है random experiment का definition? Just a second, kids. Random experiment का definition है a phenomenon or an experiment which can result into more than one. This can result into more than one possible outcomes. More than one possible outcomes are called random experiment. Are called random experiment. Samjha, this is the definition of random experiment. And you can always support your definition with example, that is tossing a coin, yeah, throwing a die, yeah, choosing a card, and so on. ठीक है? This all comes under random experiment. अच्छा, तो ट्रायल क्या होता है? If this is random experiment, then what do we mean by trial? So our next term or the chapter is trial. See, जब भी हम लोग कोई भी random experiment perform करते हैं ना, तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि we did a trial. So what do we mean by trial? Trial मतलब any particular performance of random experiment, is called trial. Of random experiment is called trial. I hope it is clearly visible to you. So let us revise what we did till now. पहला तो हम लोग ने पढ़ा basic difference between experiment and random experiment. उसके बाद हम लोग ने पढ़ा what do we mean by trial. ठीक है? Trial is nothing but performance of any random experiment. And random experiment मतलब, what do you mean by random experiment? Yes, random experiment means an experiment which can result into more than one possible outcome, but in this experiment results are not sure. कौन सा रिजल्ट मिलेगा अपने को वो पता नहीं है. We know the result but we are unsure about it. Talking further about sample space, sample points, equally likely outcomes and events. अच्छा, let us understand this term slowly. पहला टर्म क्या आ रहा है मुझे? sample space. Acha, let me consider an particular random experiment in this case. Suppose I am now the further explanation we will just consider one random experiment, and with respect to this we will understand other terminologies. ठीक है? क्या है मेरा पहला? Suppose tell me any one random experiment which you want I should tell. So random experiment. सबसे पहला random experiment. One coin is tossed. One coin is tossed. मुझे क्या मिलेगा अगर एक कॉइन टॉस करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? या तो मुझे हेड मिलेगा विच इज डिनोटेड बाय एच, या तो मुझे टेल मिलेगा डिनोटेड बाय टी. मींस ये जो भी पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आएगा ना उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सैंपल स्पेस. इट इज रिटन इन अ कर्ली ब्रैकेट एंड दिस एस हियर इट डिनोट्स सैंपल स्पेस. इट डिनोट्स व्हाट? सैंपल स्पेस. समझा? सैंपल स्पेस का आइडिया इज वेरी क्लियर किड्स. सैंपल स्पेस मतलब क्या? ऑल द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स ऑफ अ रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट is called as sample space. Shall I write the definition for you? It would be easier for us, right? So let us write the definition of sample space. Sample space. Sample space of a random experiment is defined as set of all possible outcomes. Set of all possible outcomes. Set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. Set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. Set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. Set of all possible outcomes of random experiment is called sample space. Samjha basic idea? Now a question is for you. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You please solve that question and let me know. That is, question is there in front of your screen. My random experiment is a die is thrown. A die is thrown. I want you to tell me the sample space. Yes, and the answer is total there are 6 numbers on the die. So your sample space would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope the idea of sample space is very clear. So now let us define sample points. If we know very well, here this is sample space for random experiment. Okay? Sample space. Talking further about sample points. What do I mean by sample points now? Next definition in front of the screen is what do we mean by sample points? So it is the possible outcomes in a sample space of an experiment are called sample points. Again, it's very simple. Just pay attention on the screen. Sample points का definition क्या है बच्चों? The possible outcome in a sample space. The possible outcome in a sample space. The possible outcome in a sample space of an experiment. Of an experiment is called sample points. Is called sample points. Yeah, is called sample points. It is denoted by n of s. Okay, denoted by n of s. Suppose, अच्छा अभी इसको कैसे समझने का? Suppose I am having experiment, a coin is tossed. Let us take that as a common random experiment. ठीक है, a coin is tossed. A coin is tossed. So whenever I talk about a coin is tossed, मेरा sample space हो जाता है h, t. मेरा n of s. My sample point is how many? कितना sample points है? 2. समझा? Let us take another random experiment. That is a die is thrown. A die is thrown. So sample space of experiment, sample space, so sorry, sample space for a dice is thrown. क्या आएगा बच्चों बोलो? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what will be sample points here? N of S कितने हो जाएंगे? 6. Any doubts still here? Any doubts regarding this? Okay. So now let me go further regarding next terms, that is events. ठीक है, अभी तक हम लोग ने क्या क्या पढ़ा? सैंपल स्पेस पढ़ा, पहले तो we started with random experiment, isn't it? So terms which we have covered till now are random experiment, sample space, trial, and sample points. Any doubt in these four basic terms? रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या है? जिसका रिजल्ट हमको पता है बट वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. ट्रायल क्या है? परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ एनी रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट इज ट्रायल. थर्ड, वी स्टडीड सैंपल स्पेस, द सेट ऑफ all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called as sample space. And sample points मतलब क्या बताओ? The possible outcomes of sample space are sample points, right? So let us go ahead with next basic term, event. So since other concepts are clear, basic terms are clear, event is what? How can I define event? Any subset of sample space of an experiment, any subset of sample space, any subset of sample space of an experiment is called event. Of an experiment is called an event. Acha, we have studied sets in our 9th standard only, right? It's called an event. We have studied set chapter in our 9th standard. How can we present it in a diagrammatical form? Suppose it is my sample space S. So any subset of it is known as event. So we can represent it diagrammatically as follow. So number of sample points. अच्छा, इसके बारे में थोड़ा और अच्छे से पढ़ते हम लोग बच्चों. Number of sample points in A. Number of sample points. Suppose A is the event. Okay? Let A be an event. Let A be an event. Okay? So number of sample points in A. Number of sample points in A is denoted by N of A. Is denoted by what? N of A. Now, suppose, let us go ahead, taking same example of coin toss. You'll be saying like, yeah, sir, bar example le rahe ho. But again, this is the most simple, basic random experiment to understand all our terms of probability. Okay? So again, taking same experiment, a coin is tossed. Am I right? So what will be the sample space here? H comma T. What will be the sample points? It will be 2. Now, suppose A is the event of getting head. A is the event of getting head. A is the event of getting head. ठीक है. So अगर A is the event of getting head, तो हम लोग sample space में से देख के पता लगा सकते कि head कितनी बार आ रहा है, तो head एक ही बार आ रहा है. तो A would be what? It would be A is equal to nothing but H. Therefore, N of A क्या आ जाएगा? 1. Now, finally coming to the last type, इसका probability कैसे निकालते हैं? So probability of event A का formula है N of A upon N of S. That will be 1 by 2. Therefore, probability of getting head is 1/2. ठीक है, let us revise all the things from the start. क्या क्या किया, सैंपल स्पेस वगैरह वगैरह, सैंपल स्पेस, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, ट्रायल, सैंपल पॉइंट्स, event, then n of a, that is sample point of that event, and finally we came to a point, probability, finding out probability of an event. तो probability of an event हमने कैसे निकाला, n of a upon n of s, मतलब number of sample points या of event a upon sample space, that is sample point, that is n of s. ठीक है, on this basis only we can solve questions that we will be discussing in our next lecture. ठीक है, just we will go through the quick recap, and again there are few more concepts. How to deal with that concept I will let you know. Like there are now what are further things that we need to study. Now there are types of events we need to study. ये एक important part बचा है. Then we need to find, then we need to also study concept of cards. Okay, so concept of cards we need to study, and then finally we can solve questions. ठीक है, so this we will be covering in our next lecture. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family, stay blessed. Bye bye.